Well, hello there. So today's the day. We started another project, and that is to take my old porch down, which is original to the house, 25 years. I think it's 6 by 8 or something like that. Yeah, it's pretty small. In any case, it came with the house. But the patio I installed with my dad probably 20 plus years ago, and it's had it. So we've since decided to add a 3-season porch to the back of the house. I've got my permits. I've got a contractor lined up. I'm going to help him. Hopefully he doesn't charge me more for that. But I'm going to do what I can do anyway. But I wanted to hire in a pro to make sure that the geometry is right, the codes are met, and everything is done the way it needs to be. But I'll help them wherever I can, help me keep costs down as well. But we're looking at maybe a 14 by 20 3-season porch. So in order for that to happen, I've got to get all of this out of here. The old deck's got to come out, the old patio's got to come out, and then I'll have him in, and he'll mark out where I need to dig for my footings and all that jazz, and I'll use my Kubota for that, so it'll save me some money not having to rent a piece of equipment or pay somebody to do it. And it should work out good. So I've already taken the railings off the porch. I just got to unbolt it from the house. I'm going to try and take these stairs and reuse them. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Go get your ball. You're such a maniac. Yeah, you. So I'm going to try to take these stairs off and reuse them, attach them to the house for temporary use. So you can see here, when the builder built this, they took these prefab concrete 8x8s or whatever they are. I imagine they're 4 feet long, and they just dropped them in the ground and put the posts for the porch right on them. There's 2 of those, and I'll have to pull those out of there as well. Then I have to start tearing up this patio. That's not helpful. I'm going to have to lighten that up before I can flip it over. He will not be ignored. Where's your ball? Where's your toy? Where's your frisbee? I just threw it. Sit. Sit. I'd like to say you're a good boy, but that's a lie. 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 I'm lying. You're not a good boy. You're only a good boy sometimes. So we have new stairs. Actually, I took the stairs off the deck and repurposed them for temporary use for now. The dog's still got to come and go, and I still got to get all this patio out of here, and I've got to find a new place to store my hoses along with the dog's pool, although he's kind of outgrown that pool. One down, 5 to go. It's a lot of work for this little tractor. So I got 3 holes dug, got them covered with plywood, and then it snowed. It's been a couple days. Snow is melting pretty quickly. It's not very cold out, but everything is muddy. So I don't know how this is going to go, but I still need to dig those holes. I've got 3 to go, and I am going to give it a try. I don't know how it's going to go. Hopefully it won't be too bad. I don't enjoy playing in the mud, but I got to get the holes dug. Let's see how it goes. So this thing is just a pretty crude rendition of a concrete post that's 4 feet long. The builder probably made this. Alright, so I explored a little bit, digging around this boulder, and even if I could get it loose, there's no way my tractor's going to pick it up and get it out of the way. That is just too big for my little BX. But I did some measuring. I need to be 154 inch and 7/8 to the center of my 12-inch tube, so that's going to put me right about there, which is very close to that rock. Now I don't know if that boulder is going to cause me issues with the freeze-thaw cycle, but I am 6-inch from that tip right there, so a 12-inch tube will fit right there. Just maybe I can cut this corner off, or even bang on it with a sledgehammer and chip it, just to break that corner away, to keep it away from the sonotube, so the freeze-thaw cycles over time won't move that rock into the sonotube. Anyway, yeah, fun times. So I'll keep documenting what I'm doing here, and when I come up with a solution, you guys will see it on the next video. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.